Hello, I'm Dr. David McFadden from the Dental Implant Center. Today I'd like to talk about alternatives to all-on-4 dental treatment. First, let me say that all-on-4 is a great dental treatment. However, it's not appropriate for all patients. I'm a board-certified prosthodontist and a board-certified implant dentist. No one is more qualified than I am at making treatment recommendations. And I can tell you that all-on-4 treatment is only indicated for about 10% of my patients. The corporate dental implant offices, and I think you know which ones I'm referring to, promote all-on-4 because it's the easiest and most profitable for them. Most prosthodontists agree that the traditional all-on-4 treatment is a great option to replace your lower teeth, but rarely is it our first choice to replace the upper teeth. Let me give you a non-dental example, one that we've all experienced. You come home one day and your air conditioning is out. You call a company, they send a technician. The technician arrives and he gives a diagnosis, and his plan is to replace your entire system. We all know from experience that when it comes to air conditioning units, there's a variety of things that can go wrong. It could be your coil, it could be your compressor, it could be your freon level, it could be something as simple as the breaker's out. But why does he recommend the replacement of the whole system? Because it's the easiest and the most profitable for him and the company. Sadly, the same thing happens with dental treatment. All-on-4 treatment is just one option that you'll get at a full-scope dental implant practice like mine. At the Dental Implant Center, we've come up with an alternative to all-on-4, and we call it the Fast and Forever Smile. Unlike the all-on-4 prosthesis, which is bulky and very difficult to clean, our Fast and Forever Smile looks, feels, and functions just like natural teeth, and you clean them just like your natural teeth. The corporately owned dental implant clinics have millions of marketing dollars to promote all-on-4. That's why the internet is flooded with information about that treatment. Small solo practitioners like myself can't compete with that. That's why you've never heard about your alternatives. I'd like to invite you to come for a complimentary consultation so you can hear about all your options. Or you can visit my website to find out more about me, my practice, or my specialty. It's dentalimplantcenter.com.